our third day crash program, which is about the Pakistan leaders shaping a nation. That is about the era from which is started from the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and then came to an end in the time period of Pervez Musharraf. The architecture of modern Pakistan is first Ayub Khan. I have given the date from where the regime was started and when it came to an end. It was 1958 to 69, Yahya Khan 1969 to 70, Zia Bhutto 71 to 77, Ziaul Haq 77 to 88, Benazir Bhutto 88 to 90, Nawaz Sharif 90 to 93, Musharraf 19 to 2008. And you can see, students, every military dictatorship have a 10-year regime. Now coming towards the Ayub Khan, the main events of Ayub Khan government. First, military coup, basic democracy system. He introduced basic democracy system in which 80,000 basic democrats are as an electoral college. The main target, which you can say about Ayub Khan, is the Constitution of 1962, economic growth and dissent. Then General Yahya Khan took over the power in 1969. Actually, Ayub Khan, he dismissed the government of Ayub Khan first in election 1970. Actually, this is the real root cause for the separation of East Pakistan, and then there is a war of 1971. Again, the separation of East Pakistan and the East Pakistan became declared as the country name, which is named as Bangladesh. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, 71. Again, this is the rebuilding of the nation. Nationalization is program. He nationalized all the major industries of Pakistan. 1973 Constitution is in target. Overthrow the government by Ziaul Haq in 1977. Again, 77 came to in the credit of General Ziaul Haq. That is called the true Islamization process. Afghan jihad was also started at that time. Social transformation and then Bhutto execution. Next is Benazir Bhutto government, that started from 1988 when there was assassination of Ziaul Haq, historical first prime minister in the history of Muslim states. Reforms agenda, political instability, legacy. Next, Nawaz Sharif government, infrastructure, motorway is in his credit. 1999 nuclear test, that is again a big mega credit on at his end. 1999 COP, 2000 disqualification. Pervez Musharraf enlightenment era, at that time there was a war against terrorism, bloodless COP, enlightened modernization, war on terror, democratic pressure. So you can see on the screen legacy impact for a nation in transition. You can see on screen the timeline, all the dictators and the president or the personalities who came into power and what was their agenda. You can see in Ayub Khan the time period, Yahya Khan, Zia Bhutto, Ziaul Haq, Benazir Bhutto, Nawaz Sharif and Pervez Musharraf. So this is the quick overview for all the topics which are left, and I hope you can easily understand. Hope for best and best of luck for your exam. Thank you.